Welcome to Talk Learner. Get ready to test your English skills and learn something new today. Let's find out your English level based on your score. Are you ready? Cool. Good. Let's start the test. She goes to college every day. A is B, does C, will. Option C is the correct answer. They playing football now. A, are B, is C, was. Option B is the correct answer. He bought a car last year. Option A is the correct answer. I seen that movie before. A has B, had C, have. Option C is the correct answer. She very tall. A, are B, am, C, is. Option B is the correct answer. We go to school yesterday. A, don't be, didn't see, doesn't. Option A is the correct answer. He speak French fluently. A, can be, are, C, is. Option C is the correct answer. They late for the meeting. A, where B was C, are. Option B is the correct answer. The train at 8 p.m. A leaves B, leaving C, leave. Option A is the correct answer. I going to the party tonight. A, am, B, are C, is. Option C is the correct answer. She finished her homework already. A, have B, had C, has Z. Option B is the correct answer. We visited London last summer. A, did B, have C, are. Option A is the correct answer. He reading a book now. A, are B, was C, is. Option C is the correct answer. They not happy with the results. A, am, B, is C, are. Option B is the correct answer. I went to the market yesterday. Option A is the correct answer. The dog barking loudly. A, was B, are C, is. Option C is the correct answer. She, a beautiful song. A, sing, B, sang, C, sings. Option B is the correct answer. We never been to Paris. A had B, has C have. Option A is the correct answer. He does his work carefully. A, does B, did C do? Option C is the correct answer. They breakfast at 8 a.m. every day. A, eats B, ate C, eat. Option B is the correct answer. She plays the piano very well. A played B, play, C plays. Option A is the correct answer. The children in the park now. A was B, is C, are. Option C is the correct answer. I was watching TV last night. Option B is the correct answer. He football every Sunday. A, play B, played C, plays. Option A is the correct answer. They went to New York last month. Option C is the correct answer. We are exams tomorrow. A, have B, has C, had. Option B is the correct answer. She goes to school by bus. A, go B, goes C, going. Option A is the correct answer. He does his homework regularly. A, do B, does C did. Option C is the correct answer. They already eaten lunch. A, has B, have C, had. Option B is the correct answer. I met my best friend yesterday. Option A is the correct answer. She a book now. A, read. B, reads. C, is reading. Option C is the correct answer. We go to the park every weekend. A, go B, goes C, went. Option B is the correct answer. He finished his work yesterday. A, has B, had C, have. Option A is the correct answer. The sun in the east. A, rise. B, rises. C, rising. Option C is the correct answer. They not come to the party. A. Did B do C didn't? Option B is the correct answer. She English very well. A. Speaks. B. Speak. C. Spoke. Option A is the correct answer. I never late to class. A. Am. B. Is. C. Are. Option C is the correct answer. Eat breakfast at 7 a.m. A. Has B. Had C. Have. Option B is the correct answer. We playing cricket yesterday evening. A was B or C are. Option A is the correct answer. She in New York right now. A is B. Are C. Was. Option C is the correct answer. I bought a new phone yesterday. Option B is the correct answer. They studying for the exam. A is B. Are C. Was. Option A is the correct answer. He washes his car every Sunday. Option C is the correct answer. The baby crying loudly. A is B. Are C. Was. Option B is the correct answer. She very kind to everyone. A is B. Are C. M. Option A is the correct answer. She in New York right now. A is B. Are C. Was. Option C is the correct answer. He already finished the project. A had B. Has C. Have. Option B is the correct answer. They happy with the results. A is B. Was C. Are. Option A is the correct answer. I went to the library yesterday. Option C is the correct answer. She the guitar beautifully. A plays. B played. C play. Option B is the correct answer. Share it with your friends, and ask them to participate in this test. Comment your achieved scores and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.